students, now we are going to do the factorization. Factorization here, it is a fourth question of exercise 2.4. Okay, now you can see here 2.4, fourth question, first part. Question is 12x square minus 7x plus 1. ये हमारा question है. 8th standard में you might have studied about middle term splitting methods. So how we can split the middle term? So what we used to do, we used to take a rough part, and in that rough part, what we are supposed to do, we used to multiply first term and last term. फर्स्ट टर्म और लास्ट टर्म को अगर मैं मल्टीप्लाई करता हूँ, यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई अलोंग विद इट्स साइन. किसी किसी को डायरेक्ट समझ में आता है. सम स्टूडेंट्स दोस हु आर वीक, फॉर देम you can follow this method which will be helpful to you. In that you will find very less error ही नहीं होता है इसमें. Now 12 is plus sign, 1 is also plus sign. Here it is positive, here it is positive. So plus into plus, it will be plus 12 multiply 1 is 12. Now हमें लाना क्या है मिडिल टर्म में? 7 लाना है. वो भी कैसे? प्लस करने से 7 आना चाहिए. So what we'll do, we'll write the factors of 12 one by one and then we'll verify that क्या मुझे 7 आ रहा है कि नहीं. So what we'll do, 12, so 1 multiplied by 12 is 12. If I add it, if I add these two numbers, am I going to get 7? No. So this is not our factor. So we'll do with 2 into 6. If I add it, why I'm adding? Because your plus sign is there. So 2 plus 6, 8. No 8 is here. So this is also not possible. We'll do with 3. 3 4s are 12. We have to take the factors. ऐसे ही randomly मैं कोई नंबर नहीं उठा रहा हूँ. मल्टीप्लाई करने पे कोई नंबर भी आना चाहिए. Okay. So 3 into 4 is 12. And what is the number? 7. प्लस करूंगा तो क्या आएगा? 7. Yes, this is our required factor. Right? So whatever the middle term sign, you have to place it at the greater number. बड़े वाले के ऊपर आपको वो नंबर, वो साइन रखना है. And then decide it. If positive sign is there, both the numbers will have same sign. अगर negative होता है यहाँ पे, one will be positive and one will be negative. So here both the sign will be same. एक तो हमें मिल गया negative, so next one will be also negative. What is the variable over here? Variable जो alphabetical term है, will be considering here as a variable. So here x is a variable. So what we'll do, we'll replace this 7x by minus 3x and minus 4x. So 12x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 1, and thereafter you will be getting 4 terms. So from that 4 terms, you have to take common from first 2 term and common from last 2 terms. So what we'll do, यहाँ पे common क्या आएगा? 3x आएगा, और यहाँ पे common क्या आएगा? 4x minus 1. So what? How I have written this part? So 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. X multiplied by x is x square, and 3x multiplied by 1 is 3x. In this way you have to take it. यहाँ पे कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. फर्स्ट विल सी द नंबर्स. यहाँ पे 4 है, यहाँ पे 1 है. नथिंग इज कॉमन. यहाँ पे वेरिएबल है, यहाँ पे वेरिएबल नहीं है. सो व्हाट विल डू, व्हेन नथिंग इज कॉमन इन बोथ द टर्म्स, वी विल बी टेकिंग इट एज 1. सो योर वैल्यू विल बी 4x minus 1. माइनस मैंने क्यों लिखा? यहाँ पे प्लस था और यहाँ पे मैंने माइनस लिखा. बिकॉज आउटसाइड दी इट इज नेगेटिव साइन. सो नेगेटिव साइन जब रहता है, वी हैव टू चेंज दी साइन ऑफ द नेक्स्ट टर्म. सो यहाँ पे जो टर्म था वहां पे साइन नेगेटिव हो गया. सो इफ आई रिमूव द ब्रैकेट, माइनस माइनस प्लस 1. सो दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई आई चेंज द साइन. इफ हियर इट इज पॉजिटिव साइन, देन आई माइट हैव नॉट चेंज द साइन. वो जो साइन था वही रखता मैं. ओके. सो नाउ you could see that both the brackets are same here. Bracket same means what? You have done the correct set. So here it will be 4x minus 1 and next one will be 3x minus 1. So this is your middle term splitting method, and these are the factors of your polynomial, and we have factorized it. So in this way we have to do the factorization. Now we will be moving towards the next question. So I'll write the next question here. So I'm not going to do the second and third. I'll be doing fourth question. क्योंकि in that it will be a negative sign will be there. And how we are going to solve it? The question is 3x square minus x minus 4. This is the question. So again वही स्टेप से मैं समझा रहा हूँ थोड़ा डिटेल में. Again you see it. फर्स्ट टर्म मल्टीप्लाइड बाय लास्ट टर्म. सो फर्स्ट टर्म का साइन है +3, लास्ट टर्म का साइन है -4. सो इट विल बी -12. सो -12 मीन्स व्हाट? हियर इट इज नेगेटिव साइन. इट मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से मेरा फैक्टर मिडिल टर्म आना चाहिए. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू हियर? नथिंग इज गिवन हियर. इट मीन्स विल बी कंसीडर एज 1 ओवर हियर. सो यू कुड सी दैट विल स्टार्ट विथ दिस इज 1 into 12. क्योंकि 12 लाना है, पहला फैक्टर मैं 1 से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूं. सो 1 into 12. So if I subtract it, it will be 11. Is it a factor? Not a factor. Then we'll move towards 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 के टेबल पे 12 आता है. So what we'll do? We'll subtract it. If I subtract it, it is 4. मुझे 4 नहीं चाहिए, मुझे 1 चाहिए. So we'll move towards the next table. 3 4s are 12. Right? So 3 4s are 12. It means मैं माइनस करूंगा यहाँ पे. So I am going to get the value as 1. Okay. So it means this is our perfect factor. So what we'll do now? We will take the sign of this term and place it to the greater number of both any one of this. मतलब इसमें से जो greater होगा वहां पे हमें replace करना है. So greater value will be having middle term sign. और ऑलरेडी मैंने आपको बता दिया है कि if नेगेटिव साइन इज हियर, देन एक पॉजिटिव साइन होगा और एक नेगेटिव होगा. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव है तो यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए? पॉजिटिव. सो नाउ वी गॉट द फैक्टर्स. व्हाट इज द वेरिएबल x? सो विल प्लेस इट एज x. ओके. सो व्हाट विल डू? विल रिप्लेस इट 3x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 4. Now what we'll do? We'll take common from first two terms and common from last two terms. Okay. So what we'll do here? We'll take 3x common. So if I take 3x common here, so what is left out? 3 को तुमने बाहर निकाल दिया. x square में से एक x निकाल दिया. So x is left out. 3x तो पूरा ही बाहर निकल गया. तो पूरा प्लेस खाली. So that is +1. Here negative sign is there. So we have to be very careful here. Negative sign means what? Next term का sign change हो जाएगा. So what is common here? Number 4 is common. Bracket x and sign will be changed. Why it is changed? I have already explained you. Your negative sign and 1. Can I see that both the bracket values are same? Yes, it is same. So it means x plus 1 and 3x minus 4 are the factors of the polynomial. So in this way we have to split the middle term. And one more thing, you must be clear that middle term splitting method हमेशा 3 terms के लिए ही possible है. 4 terms के लिए middle term splitting करने मत बैठना. Okay. So now we'll move towards the fifth question and one of the very important question. And it is a question of 4 marks. 4 mark में question पूछा जाता है. Many a times it has been asked in exams. So you have to practice this question a lot. Okay. Now question is that मैं एक थर्ड ही क्वेश्चन करवा रहा हूँ. That is fifth थर्ड क्वेश्चन so that आपको इजी रहे. That is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So this is the equation. Now how many terms are there? I think total 4 terms. 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms. If total 4 terms are there, then here method changes and it is a question, again a question of 4 mark. मैं बार बार रिमाइंड करवाऊंगा because ये बहुत important question है. Here factor form theorem will be applicable, long division will be applicable which you have done in 9th standard, as well as middle term splitting जो अभी आपने किया वो भी applicable. It means all 3 are applicable over here. अगर ये 4 क्वेश्चन करते हो तो पीछे के 4 एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट होते हैं. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that it is very important. Now we'll start with factor theorem. पहले तो हमें find out करना है कि कौन सा factor है इसमें. So how we verify? अगर आपने practice नहीं किया है पीछे का exercise, please practice it and then only you attempt this question. Otherwise आपने practice ही नहीं किया है, आके बैठ गए हो It is totally waste of time. Okay, so now we'll start with 1. P of 1, it means this is our polynomial P of x in short. तो x के जगह में हम क्या रिप्लेस करेंगे? Whatever the values inside the bracket, that is 1. So I'll replace it by 1. So 1 cube plus 13 into 1 square plus 32 into 1 plus 20. So what I got here, I think it will be a greater value, 1 plus 13 plus 32 plus 20. So what is the value? 14, 35, 45, 46, 66. Is it equals to 0? No, it is not equals to 0. हमें तब तक वैल्यूज रखते जाना है जब तक हमें वैल्यू 0 नहीं मिलता. Okay, then only we'll consider it as a factor. So I'm taking minus 1. So after taking plus 1, then you take minus 1. Then take plus 2, minus 2, plus 3, minus 3. Within this range, I think you'll be getting the answers. So if I substitute minus 1, so what will be the value? You could see here that 32 minus 1 plus 20. So if I solve it, it will be minus 1. क्यों minus 1? Because power is odd. Power odd होता है तो negative का negative हो जाता है. And here power is even, so it will be positive. So plus 1 into 13, so plus 13. And here minus 32. Why minus 32? Plus into minus, minus 32 and plus 20 over here. So you could see that minus 31, minus 1, minus 32, it will be minus 33 and here it will be plus 33, so that it is equals to 0 because minus plus gets cancelled over here. If it is cancelled, then what you will do? You will get that it is a 0. तो मुझे पता चल गया कि x के जगह पे अगर मैं minus 1 रखता हूँ, then it is a factor. So what we'll do? If I shift this minus 1 over here, हमेशा इसको shift ही करना है. X plus 1 is a factor. Okay, ये हमारा पहला स्टेप कंप्लीट हुआ. पहला स्टेप what it is, you have to identify that what is your factor when there is 4 terms are given to you. Now what we'll do, we'll do the long division method which we have done in 8th standard. Okay, so we'll start with long division method. So in that long division method, what we'll do, we'll be using this factor. Okay, ये factor का बहुत use होगा. So I'll be writing it over here that x plus 1 divided by the polynomial x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. As I've already said you that 8th स्टैंडर्ड में मैंने कई बार रिपीट किया था कि ये टॉपिक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, 10th में भी फॉलो होता है लॉन्ग डिवीजन. सो विल डू दैट. सो हाउ विल कंप्लीट दिस लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड? सो विल सी द फर्स्ट टर्म. यहाँ पे x है, यहाँ पे x क्यूब है. सो व्हाट आई विल प्लेस हियर? आई विल प्लेस x स्क्वायर. अगर मैं x स्क्वायर रखूंगा देन इट विल बी x क्यूब प्लस x स्क्वायर. आई विल सबट्रैक्ट इट. साइन चेंज करना होगा हमेशा क्योंकि हम नॉर्मल डिवीजन में सबट्रैक्ट ही करते हैं. अगर हम कोई नंबर दे दूं आपको टू नंबर्स, then what you'll do, you will subtract it. Same over here, your terms are given, so you will subtract it. First term gets cancelled over here. 13 minus 1 is 12x square plus 32x. Now here it is 12. So 12 and क्या multiply करूँगा तो 12 आएगा यहाँ पे, so that you will get the answer. Whatever the terms is here, what is the sign here? Positive sign. So that sign you have to carry it over towards the quotient. Okay. So हमें इन दोनों को सेम करना हो. So what value I substitute? 12. First I will substitute 12. 12 multiplied by x is 12x. But what we required here? 12x square. तो यहाँ पे एक और x लगा दूंगा. So what I will get? X into 12x, that is 12x square. So after writing here, you have to multiply on both this term. So what will be the value? 12x into x, 12x square. 12x into 1, 12x. सिर्फ numbers जैसे variables ही multiply नहीं करना है. We have to see the sign. What is the sign here? Positive. Here it is positive, so no problem. But when there is a difference in sign, then we have to multiply and we have to write it. ऐसे ही लिख मत देना, मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स डू मिस्टेक्स ओवर हियर. ओके, यहाँ पे इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में कंपलसरी डिवाइड करने पे तुम्हें रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. इफ रिमाइंडर इज नॉट 0 देन कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पे गड़बड़ है साइन प्लस में. ओके, नाउ व्हाट विल डू, विल चेंज द साइन अगेन, कैंसिल इट. सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू 20x, कैंसिलेशन कर लो. What is the greater number here? Greater number is 32. What is its sign? Plus. So it is plus 20. And here it will be plus 20 will be moving down. Now what I'm going to do now? What is the sign here? Plus. चलो ऊपर रखो plus. Now what will do? What is the number here? 20. तो यहाँ पे क्या multiply करूँगा तो 20 आएगा. So we'll take 20. Already x is there. So x will be placed over here. So 20 into x. 20x plus 20. Done. Now we'll change the sign, cancel it, because दोनों plus minus 0 होता है, plus minus 0 होता है. आ गया 0. Now it means this value is exact a factor. जो आपने पहले स्टेप में किया, that रखने के बाद value substitute करने के बाद you got the answer as 0. Then only I say that it is a factor. So whenever you divide this polynomial, you should get the answer as 0. Then only you will consider it as a factor. So I got the value 0. 0 आया मतलब मैंने ये long division पूरा perfect किया है. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में ये थोड़ा ध्यान रखना है. Now what is the question over here? Question is x square plus 12x plus 20. एक factor तो तुम्हें मिल चुका है. Now remaining two factors are there. How I can say that तीन ही factor होंगे, मैं कैसे जज कर सकता हूँ? So you have to see the polynomial. What is its highest power? Highest power, I'm talking about power. Power is 3. So highest power is 3 means your solution will be 3. एक मिल गया और दो find out करना है. So how we'll do? X square plus 12x plus 20 will split the middle term. So x square plus 12x plus 20. So if I split the middle term, मैं directly लिख रहा हूँ. Already I've explained you. You can do it by yourself. It will be 10x plus 2x plus 20. First two term, last two term, x plus 10, 2x plus 10. Done? X plus 10 and x plus 2. Right? So first factor is here. Second factor, here it is 10. Second factor and third factor. So how we are going to write it? So we are going to write that our polynomial p of x is equals to first factor x plus 1, second factor x plus 10, third factor x plus 2. It is not compulsory that कि पहले x plus 1 ही लिखना है. You can write it anywhere, no problem. क्यों? क्योंकि multiplication में 2 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 2, you will be getting 6 in both the cases. So here it is not compulsion. Some students will get x plus 2 as a factor, but when he will split the middle term, he is going to get the same answer. So factors अलग अलग हो सकते हैं. अगर उसका remainder 0 आया हो तो that is correct, and they'll at last they will be getting the same answers. This is what all about factorization, and it is very important. And along with this, I will share you some questions based on factorization, especially middle terms and 4-term questions. Okay, you have to practice this. Practice a lot. It is a 4-mark question. Okay, thank you. Your topic gets completed.